Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best way to get approved for a Square loan. If you're a small business owner using Square, getting a loan offer from them can be a great way to grow. But the truth is, you can't exactly apply for a Square loan. You have to be invited. From my experience, it all comes down to how you use their services. Square is essentially pre-approving you based on the data they already have about your business. So, the best way to get approved is really about being a strong, reliable Square seller. Here's what I focus on. First, consistent sales volume is key. Square primarily bases its loan offer on your processing history. The more you process through Square and the more consistently you do it, the better. I've found that maintaining a solid, steady flow of transactions, not just a few huge days, really help their algorithm see your business as stable and reliable. They typically look for a business that has processed at least $10,000 or more in sales in a year and has been actively using the platform for a significant amount of time. Second, have a good account history. This means avoiding things like payment disputes or chargebacks. If you have a lot of customers disputing transactions, it signals to Square that your business might be risky. Make sure your transactions are legitimate and your customers are satisfied. Also, keep your bank account linked to Square in good standing to avoid any failed debits. Third, frequent payment processing matters. This isn't just about the amount of money, but the regularity. If you're taking payments daily or several times a week, that's better than only processing once a month. It shows an active, healthy business operation. Finally, if you receive an offer, act on it responsibly. I've found that successfully repaying a smaller Square loan can open the door to larger offers down the line. Remember, repayment is automatic. A percentage of your daily card sales is taken until a loan is paid back. This flexible structure is a huge benefit, but you need to be confident that your sales volume can comfortably handle the holdback percentage. In short, my recommendation for getting a Square loan is simple. Focus on being the best, most consistent business you can be on the Square platform. Process all your card sales through them. Maintain clean account health, and keep that revenue steady. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.